Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all no cooking diet plan with the help of which you'll be able to lose 4 kgs in 7 days very easily. Now why this diet plan? Because recently my lots of clients were not able to prepare their meals because they were extremely busy with their schedule, so definitely they wanted a no cooking diet plan with the help of which they could even able to lose lots of kilos and at the same time did not starve themselves as well and got their personalized diet plans made from me. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with no cooking diet plan with the help of which we'll be able to lose 4 kgs in 7 days very effectively. Starting with the early morning drink, which is very important because it helps to hydrate yourself and at the same time removes all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, which will be easy peasy 2 glasses of lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply have 2 glasses of lukewarm water sip by sip empty stomach. Super easy. Or you can even have normal room temperature water as well if you cannot boil the water as well. So you can even have 2 glasses of room temperature water as well. And second option for your early morning drink can be soaked ajwain or jeera water. Now this drink is as beneficial as boiling the ajwain and jeera water. All you have to do is simply soak ajwain 1 teaspoon and jeera 1 teaspoon in 1 glass of water overnight and have it in the morning sip by sip. If you can warm it, amazing. If you cannot warm it, then you can always have at room temperature as well. Proceeding towards our breakfast options for no cooking diet plan. First option will be banana peanut butter sandwich. Now high protein and at the same time high fiber rich breakfast is very important for weight loss. And here is the complete recipe of banana peanut butter sandwich, which works amazing for weight loss also, fat loss also, and it also keeps you fuller for longer time of the day as well. If you cannot grill the sandwich, then you can always have it raw as it is. Now second option is if you cannot have this as a sandwich, then you can always have simply 1 banana with 1 spoon of peanut butter as well. Works in a similar manner and definitely low carb as well. You can even add 1 apple to it as well to increase your fruit intake in the morning itself. Proceeding towards our second option for breakfast, which can be a good full bowl of fruits, which includes pomegranate, apple, pineapple, cherries, berries, whatever are seasonally available with you. And in that, you can add approximately 2 tablespoons of yogurt or low-fat curd. Works in a similar manner. Greek yogurt does contain high amount of probiotics, so you should definitely incorporate that in place of normal curd. You can simply mix all the fruits with yogurt or dahi or curd and have it for your breakfast. If you feel it's too sour, then you can always add 1 spoon of stevia to it, but try to avoid it in the first instinct. This is yet again a very fuller, at the same time high protein, high probiotic and high fiber rich breakfast option for your no cooking diet plan, which definitely gives you good vitamins and minerals from fruit and at the same time probiotics from curd or Greek yogurt. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack options, which can be either 1 glass of coconut water. Fresh coconut water is always recommendable. Do not use the packaged one in any form. Fresh coconut water, high in electrolyte and at the same time gives you good hydration for the day as well. Great for your skin benefits in each and every manner. So you should definitely incorporate 1 fresh coconut water for your mid-morning snack. If you cannot have this, then you can always have simply 1 lemon squeezed to 1 glass of water. This also helps with vitamin C. At the same time, hydration is very important at this time of the day. And now let's proceed towards our lunch options. And as usual, 1 hour before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Now, I always prefer having Eat More Lose More pure organic apple cider vinegar. This definitely boosts your metabolism, controls your cholesterol levels and at the same time also does not let your blood sugar spike when it comes to your lunch intake or any kind of meal intake. Here I've taken 1 glass of lukewarm water. You can take room temperature water as well. Mix approximately 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar in this and have it sip by sip before your lunch. This will definitely help you boost your metabolism to a very great extent. Link is given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily. Proceeding towards our lunch options for no cooking diet plan. And the first option is my favorite black chana salad. And here is the complete recipe how I prepare high protein, high fiber rich black chana salad. Now I have here boiled black chana. You can even use the sprouted ones. Approximately 150 grams of black chana, and to this I'm adding all the salad options that I have with me. I have fresh lettuce available, cucumber, tomato, seasoning it with fresh lemon juice and at the same time adding crushed black pepper. No salt to be added to the salads in any form. Mixing it all well and adding some crumbled paneer over it. You can even use tofu as well, or you can skip it also. Mix it all well and it's a very fuller lunch option when it comes to no cooking diet plan. Amazing health benefits. At the same time, you will not feel hungry for at least 5 to 6 hours with this meal option when it comes to your weight loss. You can replace black chana with white chana or rajma as well, or with green moong sprouts as well, and enjoy your high protein, fiber rich lunch option for this meal. Proceeding towards our second option for no cooking lunch options, which is banana shake. Yes, you can simply blend 2 bananas with 1 glass of almond milk or low fat skim milk, or you can even simply have 2 bananas with 1 glass of milk. It is that simple. This is one of the most fuller lunch options that you can have for weight loss as well, and at the same time definitely to suppress all your sugar cravings as well. Bananas are high in potassium and definitely a good source of muscle building properties as well. So you should definitely incorporate this meal if you want to quit cooking at all. And now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which can be 30 grams of peanuts you can have for this meal. If you cannot prepare tea or coffee or green tea as well, then you can always have 1 glass of again soaked ajwain or jeera water. Works amazing, at the same time great for removing all the water retention, bloating and swelling from the body as well. Peanuts will definitely give you good protein content and at the same time works great as a snack option as well. Second option for snacking is you can have soaked almonds and walnuts. All you have to do is simply soak 5 to 10 almonds and 2 walnuts, soak it overnight or even in the morning itself you can soak it and have it for your mid-evening snack. Make sure to peel the almonds before consuming. And now quickly let's proceed towards our dinner options for no cooking diet plan, with the help of which you'll be definitely able to lose 4 kgs very quickly. For dinner, the first option is for all of those who feel very hungry when it comes to their dinner options. So you can definitely have one veg club sandwich, and here is the complete recipe of my club sandwich, which I make with very simple ingredients and yet very fulfilling in each and every manner. You can use multigrain bread for this, or you can simply use any bread available, but definitely incorporate this much amount of salad when it comes to your club sandwich. Second option is for all of those who are very lazy to prepare this as well. You can always have simple, a good full bowl of papaya or pineapple when it comes to your dinner. This will definitely work as a fat cutter fruit for you when it comes to your weight loss journey. So you should definitely incorporate these 2 fruits. Papaya helps to remove all the constipation if you are suffering from one, and pineapple is definitely a great belly fat cutter fruit. So you should definitely incorporate any of these 2 fruits for your dinner when it comes to your weight loss journey. And now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink, which will be 1 freshly brewed cup of chamomile tea, or if not possible then you can definitely simply have 1 glass of room temperature water along with 1 spoon of saunf or ajwain before going to bed, along with your 1 glass of room temperature water. This will also help you to keep your stress of the entire day in a very calming nature, at the same time give you a very good night's sleep as well, which is very important for your weight loss journey. 8 hours of sleep is very mandatory when it comes to your weight loss journey, so make sure you get that very right. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail, to give you good hydration properties and at the same time to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. For personalized or customized diet plans, please mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss journey with me and reach towards our weight loss transformation. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the recipes or meal options, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you as soon as possible. Follow me on Instagram to stay updated for all the upcoming what I eat in a day, client transformations, how clients lose weight each and every day, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks. To watch all my videos in Hindi, please go and check out my Let's Go Healthy channel and subscribe to it too. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.